Kasongo, yeah. Mumbali nanga. Kasongo, mbona we. Songa libala. Oh, yeah. Hello. Hola, Carlos. Hello. Hello. Hola, Carlos. Hello. Hola, Carlos.
Vou te socando, botando, socando você, que tá rindo que eu vou te botando, vou te socando, botando, socando você.
El diablo, pero yo nunca había visto unos tenis así.
Que son duros, se llaman Gucci.
El diablo, pero qué maldito tenis.
¿Tú lo quieres?
No es que lo quiero, padre.
When
¿Qué?
What kind of sweetie? What kind of big man on name sweetie?
Meatball.
Big man on name meatball.
Beg you one, beg me one.
That's how.
You.
This is one of them. That's off, man. Oi, you can't laugh again, man. Laugh, boy. Watch him. You have a mouth talk and you can't give me nothing.
Volunteer. You done with the volunteer work.
Yeah. Come here.
I'm done with the volunteer work.
What are you talking about? What you say?
Who said me done with the volunteer work?
What kind of volunteer you talking about?
Video.
I don't mean.
Man, sign contract. And you work without the volunteer work. Business what my business closed down.
Yes, sir.
Business what my business closed down.
Look at this. You look like you're a couple. You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends.
Emotional, damn it.
Shit, a woman. If you know shit, a woman, that fast.
US. Emotional, damn it.
Shit, a woman. If you know shit, a woman, that fast.
USA. Emotional, damn it.
God have mercy upon us.
Kali minum itu kulit. Ini legal lagi.
As I say, when me see the girl a pass, you know, me say, man, every year I never football and turn up. Me tell you, man, every year I never football. I first me witness that from the band. You me say the girl, shape nice. The backers, fronters, hoppers, dongers, all type of us can do with a girl there. I can tell you no.
What do you hear somebody say it? And when they say it, we can't have think about it. Why difference between worthless and cruff? Why difference? If you know a difference, meet me down in the comment section, come let me know what go on. Worthless and cruff. Can't bother me. And what even wicked than that, you know? Just when they combine the two and call somebody worthless cruff. Oh God, you're gone. When they say he's a worthless cruff, Percy Clark's boy. But what worse than that? And when you use the word dirty in between worthless and cruff, and then call a man worthless, dirty cruff. He gone. He gone. Not even mama will birth him. No, I have nothing to do with that somebody there. That they worthless, dirty cruff. Try to reach them a standard in a life. That somebody have used them there. When they use them the 3 word there, you're done for. Worthless, dirty cruff. Percy Clark. No man. But anyway, why difference? Worthless and cruff. No make me know.
Where are you, David? Where are you? Yeah, boy, no say. Woman buy me the food I'm there. So I couldn't support it all, you see it? Oi! No use me ketchup. What? Anyway, you're a woman buy your food. What am I use for them ketchup? Don't use me ketchup, man. Wipe off that back, man. Wipe it off, man. Wipe it off. I go and duck the pan tie. Lost wipe it off. Oh, you fi use my ketchup. And you never support me. I don't business. Support for support. If you did buy for me, what I ketchup? You use the what I ketchup. Don't use me ketchup, man. You don't want to bother, man. Me say if you wipe it off. Give me food, me wipe it off.
Awesome. Have you ever traveled outside of Jamaica before?
Yeah,
Where do you travel to, sir?
mi-FAAT, Spanish Town.
Whoa, hey.
Aduh, bobo. Wajib pagi tidak tu.
God have mercy upon us. Go back. Benjamin, go back. Go back. Go back where you're coming from. Go back where you're coming from. I don't need you to. Every time, go back where you're coming from.
Oh.
I said she go back where you're coming from. Go back.
Yo, lift up.
You might listen to. You see it.
Lift up and come back.
You see it.
Yeah, buy nothing, you spend money, you come and look, girl.
Okay, so you call it.
In Jamaica right now, I'm place called Falmouth. And boy, first me I saw a bicycle like this. Right now. This is Jamaica famous bicycle. John know. Bicycle normal, you know. Look at a bobsled all part in it too. John know. On the way one of them.
Hey, you pay for a bad man bicycle?
Bad man. Bicycle. Yeah, man. Oh, it's bad, you know, acha. Ja, God.
How are you cook?
Chicken foot and dumpling. A brown shoe, me a brown shirt. I don't have time to cook. I'm a Gaza pot, I'm a Gaza fire, you know.
So it sees up on everything.
Everything in there.
Dumpling in there already?
Dumpling and chicken foot, a brown shoe. Brown shoe.
The dumpling and chicken foot there in one?
Yeah, man, everything done. A momel, me a momel. A Gaza pot, a Gaza fire.
I have to go look on it.
Yeah, man, go and go look now, go and go search it now. Dumpling in there.
That tastes good?
What?
That tastes good?
A Gaza pot, that. I'm a Gaza pot.
So what you season it up with?
Carrot, scallion, onion, cool it down. Hey, I'm telling you something. Me, I'm a Gaza black pot, them, I'm a Gaza fire, you know. A Gaza, me there, me a Gaza ice, you know.
The last time I see you with him, you know, you ask him, what's my name? You know, baby.
Yo, me I tell you, if you turn up in another line, they don't get the damn sitting. One of the most embarrassing thing. Me never shame saying in my life. Woman asked me those two questions, you know. What kind of work you do? I said security. Woman said for how long? I said 5 years. Once unfortunately you're not qualified and give me a big old dirty green paper. You want to see me take time for you, put it on the envelope, because I don't nobody see it. I start one bossy with my chest high and just one big smile. Big up to your security when me laugh. Because if you never make me laugh, me go in and drop down in there. The security say, you get it? Me I say, no. I say, eh. I start laugh. I suck out, me walk out confidently. You know? Right now, enough people think me get that. To all me step out of that, enough people up there, I know me go let things say me get that. Because I step out confidently like me get a 50 year visa. To all me step out. Because I decide to nobody know, you know. Nobody know. Make me tell people say me not get it. Nobody know if it do it before me. Yeah, man, people think so. You get it? I said, no, sir. No, I'm not get it. But I just saw all of them. I'm not feeling away now. I lose to me. I'm not feeling away. I just saw all of them. I say, I plan out the trip, people. People, I plan out what I'm going to do. I plan out when I'm going to find, you know. Last night, I don't sleep. I didn't go. I go back. When I tell me, I'm going to damn Caribbean country, but it look like me have to go on there. Visa not for me, fan. Oh, God, the big old green paper like me a labor right. Me a labor right.
What's the first word?
Knowledge. Knowledge.
Shut up. Say knowledge.
Knowledge.
Read the next word.
Knife.
What did you say?
Knife.
It is knife.
Knife.
Good. Read the next word.
Charisme. Charisme.
Stop saying nonsense. It is charisma.
Charisma.
Good. Next.
Psychology.
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 Next. You will repeat this class. Watch.
Opaque. Opaque.
Eh?
Opaque.
That word is opaque.
Opaque.
Yes. Read the next word.
Kuewe.
It is Q.
Q. Sai.
Look at this. You look like you're a couple. You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends.
Emotional, damn it. See the woman. If you not see the woman, you that fast.
US.
Emotional, damn it. See the woman. If you not see the woman, you that fast.
US.
Emotional, damn it.
Hey.
Can't forgive my mother and father for that. Yeah, cause them a tell me say me fi have manners, cause manners carry me go far. The amount of manners me have, nobody no want it. And money them should tell me say me fi have, cause that everybody a clamor over. God and manners, no carry go far again, brother. And money you need fi have. My mother and father should tell me fi have money, not manners. Manners carry go far. Jump on a ride right now. Have manners. Dog, name your supper here. Real life.
Back after me now see me no buck you know. Back again and see me no buck you. Me name bad boy Rami. Me just jump up on me 2 foot them and buck you boy. Buck you down you know boy. You am ram off your face. You am ram off your face.
See my walk. Go on
yeah,
go
man,
buck off him
yeah,
face
true.
Rami.
Hey boy, come here. Come here. Look for me when I talk to you. Look for me when I talk to you boy.
Yo Rami them have camera pan
we.
we.
Call me bad boy Rami. Because me ram off boy face regularly.
Yo leave him Rami. I'll get
back
in
again.
trouble.
Back. Go woof. Go woof. Me say go woof woof and see if me not tear off your face dirty boy.
Rami leaving them
you
I
know,
go curry way.
You know but oh yeah though. Get up. Get up if you're bad.
Excuse me. You with the camera, lock it off, please.
Yeah, man. I show
Please
people are watching. You're lucky, you know.
Delete it
see
now.
if the camera never did on. Knock off the face, dish.
You see me and this man, yeah? Same time I keep a big setup and a big funeral, them. Me and this man, you see, right, yeah, so. Anytime we don't have no curry goat down there, we don't invite we. Anytime we don't kill 3-2 goat, we now come and do set up now no funeral. Tell them say you love the curry goat again.
Yeah, man, we love the curry goat, man, because the man. We don't want no live goat, I head and belly, you want.
Yes, so we love the curry goat, so anytime we set up them there anywhere, I want to set up down the road now, so me and this man a link up again. And you see this a link up? Tell him.
Yeah, man, this a link up here today, so you link up back again.
Alright, and we are going to eat more curry goat.
And we are going to eat more curry goat, man.
Alright.
When me a grow, me end up bite off my nipple off of the back. So me daddy go, my mother to me daddy say, son, you have to go buy everyone nipple, you know, because you bite it. Yeah. Feed the boy your time up, you know, since I lick them. He said, boy, father, me know my daddy don't like you. Don't like that.
Hey.
I can tell them why the best thing when they can eat, you know. No amount of people who want it and can't eat. Get off my head. Oh yes, man. I happy for that. I give God the praise for that. I can't hit. I can't tell you. Me I hit.
Allah! Allah!
Mo gbé wọn handicap.
Hello everyone on social media land. Good evening. How you guys doing? Today is not one of my best days, and I wouldn't say it's my worst day, but first I wanna say to all my fans out there, to all my families, I have some really bad news for you guys, and I know a lot of people are gonna be like surprised. Some people are gonna act surprised. I'm not the type of person who bring a problem on social media, because that bring more harm than good. You bring a problem on social media, next thing tomorrow you're up on YouTube, people are make splice video for you and all that type of crap. You know what I mean? But after I make this video, I'm coming off social media, so I won't even see the negative comments that people gonna make, because I know how human beings stay. Everybody will make them assumption which me can't stop them because of me bring it to the forefront. But I think this is something this is something I need to get out there, because it happened so many times, and I try to keep it within, but I don't think I can really keep this. I just want to say sorry to my kids. People, please don't judge me. Okay, people, I'm gonna say it, and as I said, when I say it, I'm gonna come off social media. Every time I cook rice, the rice plaka. Every time I cook rice, plaka.